Hi everyone! So I wanted to actually give more of a detailed explanation of the eye surgery that I'm getting. I am getting vertical ICL and it's actually tomorrow. Today is February 19th, so it is scheduled for tomorrow. So I wanted to just sit down and kind of run through what it is that I'm getting. So if you guys watched the pre-surgery vlog, then I mentioned that I'm getting vertical ICL. So vertical ICL is actually a new method, and the lens is going to be placed vertically behind my eye. So not in front of my eye, but behind. And the vertical method is actually able to correct my astigmatism and myopia.
So I just wanted to add on a few more points. So vertical ICL was created by BGSS, and it's actually the only clinic that actually does it in the world currently. And if you guys can see in the picture, Dr. Jong-ho Lee, he's actually the owner of BGSS, and then Dr. Jae Myung Lee, he is my surgeon that performed the surgery, and they are both recognized as the best doctors according to Star Surgical, which is an ICL company. So that's a very, very big deal. The main difference between vertical ICL and the original toric ICL is that vertical ICL reduces the possibility of rotation. So if my lens will rotate, it will bring back my astigmatism. So it reduces the possibility of rotation happening, therefore it eliminates the astigmatism in my eyes.
I'm very excited to see maybe the difference between me and Sydney's experience, because hers was horizontally placed and also it was in the anterior chamber, which is like the front of her eye. Mine will be in the posterior chamber, so it will be placed behind the eye, so you won't be able to see it actually. And also, just as an update, this is actually my second time going back to BGSS for the procedure. I originally was supposed to get it last month, actually before Sydney, but when I got my test, they do all of the tests and exams again on the day of the surgery just to make sure that your results are the same as before so that they can match the lenses correctly to your eye. So the day that I was supposed to get the surgery, I did all the examinations and everything seemed to be fine, but then they told me that my right eye actually changed from the results that they had. So the astigmatism in my right eye actually went up higher, I think like 0.5. And so because of that, the lens that they already ordered for me was for my previous results. So because my eye changed, my eye power changed a little bit here, they realized that the lens would not correctly work for this eye, and I wouldn't be getting the optimal results that I could if it was the proper power. And so because of that, I actually didn't get the surgery that day, which was a bit of a bummer, but it totally makes sense that they have to just make sure that the numbers are exact, because this is a lens that's actually being placed in your eye, so it is like a permanent contact lens.
The first row? D. Just give a try.
Okay. K, D, N, L, V.
Just any letter that you can see. From the left to the right.
N,
Take off your glasses. Chin, your first hand has to touch. Look at the front.
It's CYL here.
Yeah.
This is astigmatism. This is the old data. It says that it was -2, right? Today we got -2.5, which means, and then we don't have that in stock.
Right.
And then because for astigmatism lenses, they're special, like customized.
Right.
So we need to order them, and then they're gonna ship it to Korea from Swiss. And then for that part, you might need to wait for 2 weeks. Or if it arrives earlier, I'll let you know as soon as possible. But between this period, we really do not recommend you to put your lenses on.
Does that mean no surgery for today?
Yes, that means you cannot, because we don't have lenses in stock. In your case, your myopia is around -7 on the right eye, -8 on the left eye, and then for astigmatism is both eyes are over -2, which is, as you can see from the chart,
It's a little higher.
it is
Yeah.
high. So in your case, in order to have perfect vision, you have to correct both myopia and astigmatism, and then the only way is either you do laser surgery, but in your case, if the data is so high, there's no way you can do laser.
Right.
The only way is doing ICL. Starting from last year, 2020 November, we came up with this vertical version, and then we have been processing it since then. It has been 2 months-ish. Many Koreans are doing it because there's people with astigmatism as well, and then they don't want extra.
Yeah, getting like laser
Yeah,
treatment. on
yeah.
top.
Why would you want to have a
Yeah.
ICL and
Yeah,
laser?
that's too much.
So this is a new version.
So in my case, they had to order a new lens for the right eye because the number was higher than the previous number that I had. And so that takes like a few weeks because they're imported. So that is why fast forward to now, it's about a month later, and so I am scheduled to get it for tomorrow, and I'm hoping all goes well. I've been wearing my glasses for nearly like 2 months now, so I'm excited to get this procedure and just to document all of the results and my experience. Hey guys, so I just got out of exit 5 of Apgujeong Rodeo Station, and BGSS is straight ahead, so I'm going to be showing you guys the route. It's only like a 2-minute walk just from the station. Hey everyone, so I'm on the 7th floor, and I just wanted to show you that they have a mobile app that you can use to confirm your appointment time. So this is mine. Don't know if it'll focus, but it says that my appointment is February 20th at 11 a.m. So I need to begin using these eye drops right now, an hour before surgery. I have to use these 5 minutes in between 6 times, so I'm going to start that now. It's almost surgery time. So I just did the last rounds of the eye drops. So I will be heading into surgery very, very soon. Okay guys, I just washed my face and I'm about to go into the operating room, so I will check in with you guys when I'm all finished. Wish me luck. I just finished the surgery. It is currently around 2 o'clock and I just wanted to check in and tell you guys that it went really well. I can already see a lot clearer right now. Okay, let me show you. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that number 12 over there. I could not see that before, but now I can actually see like numbers and like small letters and stuff. So yeah, I'm very, very excited that it went well. There wasn't really any pain. My eyes are just a little bit tired right now, so I'm just gonna rest. I'm resting here in the lounge. So I'm gonna get some rest and then I'll check in with you guys later. OFLC TZVEA OHPNF EVOTO.
네, 반대쪽은 가려보실게요.
되게 터너. 그리고 Okay, everything's fine.
Hey everyone, so I just finished my follow-up appointment. This is the first day post-op, and Dr. Lee checked everything. He said my eyes look really good and the results are looking great, so that's a relief. I am coming back later on this week just for another follow-up to make sure everything's looking good. But yeah, so far so good.
옆에 읽어보세요. Blank. 읽어볼게요. This room.
VREKP
이거는요.
EVOTD
한 번 더. 이거는요.
PZRAO
So for number 6 and number 9, which one's more clear?
6.
Okay. Forehead has to touch.
불편한 거 있어요?
Any discomfort? 없어요.
잘 나오고 뭐 좋습니다. 예.
So everything looks good.